I've been on A-List now for about a year and a half now, and I've been enjoying it. Going to movies whenever I want has been fantastic. I get to see a lot of movies I never would have even thought about seeing that are actually pretty good, like Jules. So I have no reason to really complain about AMC at the current time. However, the future of AMC and A-List is very much in doubt. There's quite a bit of hubbub, if you will, that the strike is going to continue until whenever. That means a lot of movies coming out are may not come out there. Even streaming is affected by this because you can't get any writers, you can't get any work done. If no one wants to work, there's going to be nothing coming out. Movie theaters are getting so desperate. They're re-releasing like Barbie and IMAX. They're releasing The Dark Knight again in theaters to give butts in seats. So they're desperate. They're very desperate to get people in there because there's nothing of note coming out. Of course, we got Equalizer 3 this Friday, but that's about it. After that, Saw X. I would like to see Saw X. Unfortunately, I don't really care enough to keep A-List around for it. I don't give a shit about the Hunger Games. I don't give a shit about Dune 2. I know they got delayed. I don't give a shit about Dune 2. And next year, what? Is Spider-Man coming out next year? Is Doctor Strange coming out next year? I like those. Those aren't coming out anytime soon. Yo, Clack, what about Captain America, dog? I actually do like that one. But that one's not until what, July? You gotta wait 6 months to use A-List again if you cancel it. That's the caveat of A-List. That's the only negative about A-List. You gotta wait half a year. So I don't see anything decent coming out anytime soon. About the Marvels, you can kiss my ass on that one. I have other ways to get into the theater that I know of, so it's not really a huge deal. But the foreign movies I will miss, but I also found another way to watch them as well. So I will be monitoring things, but I don't see a reason for me to keep A-List beyond right now. I mean, like, I can't think of a single movie. I wanted to see this one badly, and I did enjoy it. I enjoyed seeing 40X. That was really good. I did enjoy Barbie for what it was trying to send to girls. That was fine. Blue Beetle was a great movie, by the way. Heartstrings, you know. Oppenheimer was a movie. So you get some good movies out there, but for the future, I don't see a damn thing, bro. Let me see here. Coming soon. Let me see if oh, there we go. I'm double tapping. It's not going over there. So I gotta pause. Yeah, there's no way to click that thing. Everything works except for that damn button for coming soon. Maybe because there's nothing coming out soon. Nothing's coming out. So that's a sign right there. I don't see a reason to keep this thing any longer. Uh, man, all these damn sequels and remakes. They're not doing a very smart job about things. Snow White, and future movies should have been CG, like high quality CG. It doesn't cost nearly as much to do a CG movie well, and you get much more effect out of it than having actors in the movie as well. So Hollywood's not doing very good right now, and that's coming from someone who wants to sing Hollywood's praises. But right now, they're it's not good, bro.